back to my channel. If you watch my video for the very first time, you're warmly welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed my very cheap Dove leave-in wash up conditioner, guys, deep conditioner, yeah, to this very amazing 20 euros worth deep conditioner, as we all can see. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how I made this. Guys, see that? So if you are interested in how this was done, please keep watching, and if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be the first to get notified. Thank you so much, and please stick around and watch how this is being done. And most important ingredient here is the Irish seamoss, or simply seamoss. Seamoss is actually a superfood and it's responsible for moisturizing the scalp. You know, basically sebaceous glands present on the scalp secretes sebum, and that are actually responsible for moisturizing your scalp, resulting in dandruff-free hair. But sometimes this activity disrupts due to the lack of vitamin A. So seamoss contains enough vitamin A, which can improve the sebum production, thereby improving the moisture of the hair. And as we all can see, seamoss is dry at the moment, but then you have to put it in water overnight so that it becomes soft and manageable. It also improves hair growth because it's also rich in vitamin E. You can also try seamoss in salads, for it's a very good superfood. It helps your hair with moisture. It helps to improve growth. So guys, what we have here is the Dove, which I showed you guys at the beginning of this video. A very cheap Dove 1 minute super conditioner. This was just 2 euros or something. Yeah, very affordable. 2 euros Dove. Basically, this is not so good for our African nappy coily hair. So I had to transform this to something perfect for our hair, because I normally don't just use for actually white hair. No, for long straight hair. But for curly hair, you need something more effective. So I had to add just seamoss gel. Please don't forget to cook your seamoss gel in. You need to cook it boil it in water for some time, for like 2 minutes. Once it's boiled, it becomes soft, then you can blend it together and then mix it together with your conditioner. So basically that's just all. That's, guys, try this at home and let me know. It doesn't matter whatever deep conditioner you have in the drugstore. Just get whatever deep conditioner you can lay your hands on and mix it together with seamoss gel, and you will thank me later. That's all, nothing more, just that, and the rest is history. Okay guys, so that's it. So guys, I have washed my hair and now let's undo it and see how it looks like. You see that? Yeah. Oh my god. This is so soft. It's so manageable. It's so soft and it's well detangled. Like, I did not actually detangle my hair. Be rest assured that seamoss also serves as a detangler. So you can use it to detangle your hair just like okra and also like just like what's that? Yeah, just like okra and also just like flax seeds. They are very good in detangling the hair, so you don't have much work to do. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. Please endeavor to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be the first to get notified. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please. It really means so much to me. Support me by liking and sharing this video, subscribing to my channel and clicking on the post notification bell. I really do appreciate your support. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.